Internet family, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm just here to encourage you. So let's get into the message. Have you ever felt like you are doing everything right? You praying, staying grateful, trusting God. However, there is nothing that is changing. You are waiting for your breakthrough, but all you see is a valley of dry bones, or all you feel is silence. If that's you, stay with me then. This message is for you. God is not done with you yet. You know, it's easy to trust God when everything is going well, but real faith is tested in the waiting. Delays do not mean denial. What you don't see is that God is working behind the scenes. He is aligning things, He is preparing you, and He is also preparing opportunities and shaping you for what is ahead. Isaiah 60 verse 22 says, "When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen." This means that even though things may seem very slow for you, but you must trust and believe that God's timing is perfect. Galatians 6 verse 9, it says, "Let us not grow weary in doing good, for in due time we will be rewarded if we don't lose heart." Every prayer, every step of faith, every act of gratitude is a seed. Just because you don't see the harvest, it doesn't mean that it's not growing. I know it's frustrating to see others receiving their blessings while you're still waiting. But remember, God's plan for you is unique. What He has for you is tailor-made, and nothing can stop it. The book of Habakkuk 2 verse 3 says, "For the vision is yet for an appointed time. Though it lingers, wait for it. It will certainly come and will not delay." Your waiting season is not wasted. God is strengthening you. God is teaching you and preparing you for what's next. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and future." Even when you can't see it, God's plan is working for your good. God's plan is working in your favor. Just trust and believe. So don't lose hope. Keep trusting, keep believing. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. If this message spoke to you, take a deep breath and say, "God, I trust you. I know you are working in my life." Drop an amen in a comment section below if you believe that your time is coming. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe for more faith-based encouragement. God bless you and bye-bye. Remember, your waiting season is just to set you up for something greater.